My name is Yuri and I'm a project manager from Turnkey Dubai company. And right now we are at the Stella Maris Tower in the Dubai Marina and we gonna to show it to you today. Today we wanted to tell you more about the whole process of how our meeting with you will go and what do you need to do before the meeting, and it will help you to save your time and to understand better what you should prepare before the meeting with any other contractor, not only with us. First step is that you need to understand the scope of work which you need to be done. You want to do the flooring, walls, ceiling, etc. And you need to understand which area you want to renovate. Let's say the bathrooms only, or the kitchen only, or whole apartment or the whole villa together. Second step, it is always better to do the renovation with finished design project. We can do it for you, or you can come to us with your design project, doesn't matter. But the main point is that design project is necessary and important for the renovation project itself. And the third step is that for each renovation project, we need to get the approvals from the developer company, or in any cases from the developer company and from the authorities.
Hello, my name is Ilya Lykov. I'm project manager at Turnkey Dubai. Today I will tell you about our new project at JBR, Stella Maris building. So let's have a look. This is the full renovation of two-bedroom apartment, and now we are staying here in the kitchen and living room area. I'll tell you all the details of our project and what we implemented here. So let's begin with the furniture. Right here we have an island and the countertop is made out of quartz, so it's a very good solution of the material. Basically, because it's durable, it looks nice, it allows more sophisticated look and overall, quality of your kitchen. If we walk along this island, you see the built-in sink right here, so it allows everything to be in one sleek line. You don't have water splashing out, everything is perfectly matte and very nicely cut. So on this side we have the lots of storage, so you see that the solutions for storing lots of things are perfectly done. Whole furniture is Italian made, so lots of push to open, smooth closing. And the overall of the look of the kitchen is very sleek, so it's basically white color, very nice, looks light and bright, especially when the sun shines this way. So on the lower part we have drawers that are also closing quite smoothly. And here on the left, built-in fridge. Please pay attention that we made it built-in because it allows for the overall sleek and nice look of the furniture. Let's move and check the whole project completely. And we are now moving from kitchen to the living room area, and I'll show you each and every detail what we've done here. So pay attention that the whole this project was implemented with the client being remote. So we just collaborated together via phone, video calls and messaging. This is what we also can do for you, so no need to be here. We can fully support you from the idea to realization. We had a project from the client and we implemented it as he wished. Of course, we have different corrections along the way on which we suggested client the best option to do. So, and as far as we're staying here in the living room and in front of one of the most beautiful part of this living room, this TV unit that is made out of huge porcelain slab. This is one full-size porcelain slab that we selected specifically for our client. And the important thing of this one is that when you hang your television, you don't have to deal with the cables. All the cables go smoothly inside the cable canal and you connect them right here. So no wirings, no cables are visible for you. You get a nice sleek look of your television. Let's move here and I'll show you more of the living room. So the second part of it, beautiful one, and we see the furniture here that is in perfect balance. All the elements of decoration are selected by the client and we delivered it, and install it right here. So you got several options. You can either, as in this project, buy furniture yourself with our recommendation, with our advisory, or we can make a turnkey project for you. It means that from your design project till some small elements of decoration we can all source from you. So let's have a look at what we have right here. This is the beautiful dining table with marble countertop. So it allows up to, I get 8 people to sit. We got 6 chairs, but you can definitely add one more here and one more here. So you'll have a big company at your table, and especially during the holiday time. So just look at how beautifully this material was selected. Everything looks in perfect harmony, and the overall look of the living area is boosted by the sofa, which is well L-shaped and allow you to sit in front of the television. Come right with me. So we are entering the master bedroom, and before we get inside, please pay attention on those locks of the doors. This is a magnetic system, so it opens and closes smoothly without any noise, and it's a perfect solution for modern housing. So please come inside. So I'll show you the master bedroom. So the pearl of this house, just have a look at how we decorated this wall. We put wall moldings here that beautifully accompany the overall style and add some accent to the wall. Also, in the whole apartment we installed ceiling moldings as well, so they allow us to give a little bit more accent and a little bit more of a sophisticated look for this apartment. So have a look at the chandelier. This one chandelier is a masterpiece, which looks nice and reminds me drops of water, which, well, also a nice thing. So let's move into the master bathroom. I'll show you what we've done here, and so I'll show you one small thing. Follow me. If you want to stay in your bathtub and enjoy and relax after a busy week, you can use a nice smooth LED light under the cupboard that we implemented here. If you need just a little more light, you can use the full lights and spotlights that give pretty much light for this room. So what we have here, we got tiles, 120 by 60 big porcelain slabs that remind the structure of natural stone, basically marble look. So we got quite the same option for the floor. So these ones are in gloss finish, these ones are in matte. So this is a perfect combination for the tiles. Here we have a bathtub. So if you'd like to relax in the hot water at the end of the day, this is the perfect solution. And I would personally recommend to have at least one bathtub in your apartment, which is really helpful, especially when you also have kids and you want to, well, have a bathtub just for them. So what we have here, this is a built-in WC, a hanging one option, which allows well to have quite a nice and light look of the overall design. Here we have a sink that is installed on the countertop. So this is a custom-made quartz countertop that we created specifically for this bathroom as per the requirements. It allows us to give a personalized approach to make a bathroom more comfortable as per your request. And right here along this wall we have installed the wall moldings, which I particularly very like as an idea to make a small accent on the wall, for the wall, not just to look paint, which is a little dull. So wall moldings is the way to go. You can see that here we installed a double frame of small moldings, each around 2 centimeters. It doesn't look too big, yet they create a nice look for the wall if you want to make some accent and zone some space. Also, we have installed the ceiling moldings, and you can see this one going from here and all around the perimeter of the room. So it also helps to give a small touch, a nice finishing to your ceiling, not to look just plain and simple. mailing is the way to go.
Today we would like to tell you more about the process of communication with us and working with us. So the first step obviously is that you see some advertising in the Instagram or in the TikTok, and you can fill the form and we will contact with you to clarify a couple of questions. After that, there will be the meeting with our project manager who will come to your site, to the apartment or to the villa, to do the measurements, to clarify the scope of work and to clarify basically what we need to do. On that step, we are providing the quotation mostly within 24 hours after the meeting, and sometimes we are able to provide the quotation during the first meeting with you. So our quotation is very detailed, and we have basically two parts, which is first of all our part, such as labor cost and rough materials, and built-in furniture like kitchen cabinets or wardrobes, etc. And the second part of the quotation is the finishing materials. I would like to say here that sometimes our clients are providing the finishing materials by themselves. In that case, it is totally okay with us, but if we're having some delays in the finishing materials, it can cause a delay into the project itself. So it is always easier for you as the client and for us at the construction company, renovation company, to do the whole project by one, from A to Z. It's when we are preparing the design, when we are doing the execution, when we are doing the delivery of the materials, and we can coordinate with all the suppliers with everything, and we can control the timeline of the project very strictly. So, and by the way, we have in some cases we have the discounts from our partner suppliers, and again, it will be easier for you and maybe even cheaper to proceed with that with the finishing materials. After going further to the project with us, you will have like two persons who will be responsible for your project. And the first person is the foreman or the site supervisor, site engineer, who will be responsible for the technology, who will spend the whole time of the project at your site. And the second person will be the construction project manager, who will be the director of your project. If you want to proceed with us, please fill the form and we will contact with you in the nearest future, and we will come to your apartment or villa and provide you the very detailed quotation.